Hey, my fine people, what's going on? Hope y'all enjoy y'all day. Welcome to part 3, and whether I finish it or not, this is the final part of battery relocation. Let me get to work. Enough. So today I will be pulling the excess wire back into the car, along with installing the circuit breaker up front, and maybe afterwards, feel like there's time, it's not too hot and sticky in here, I will put those rivet nuts in that Bobby gave me. If not, I can do that a later date. The tray's already installed. We just gotta work on everything up here, and it moved. That'll work. All right, let me get busy. Alright, so to explain what has happened so far. Accessory power wires. I got the end crimped on, put a heat shrink over it. Now I'm about to do the actual power wire coming from the starter, which these two are both gonna go on one side, and then the wire from the battery goes on the other side, and that is gonna be my circuit breaker. So there you have it. All I gotta do is resituate the ground. I gotta read up and watch some videos on relocating this box. Then we can start with the intercooler piping for here. But as you can see, there we go. All right, this is going to be mounted up here, pretty much, when all is said and done. So let me go back to the rear, put those rivet nuts in, and we can call this video done. As you can see, trays in there. To put the rivet nuts in, I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm just gonna do another video. Honestly, you guys can see the cables ran, the fuse box is in here, cable is in here. Okay, so, but let me go grab something real quick. All right, guys, battery's in. All right, I'm gonna close this. So when relocating your battery to the trunk, you should always opt for a dry cell, which is what this is. All right. I can put this on here to demonstrate and show you, because fuse block is not connected to anything. So pretty much that there, and that is what it's going to look like. In essence, battery relocation is done. It shouldn't have took so long, but sometimes I try to be perfectionist and do stuff correctly, so other people who were trying it, who are following me, can see different ways and do it right the first time. So only problem I see with my setup is if I get T-boned, that wire is getting crushed, because like I say, it's ran in here on the other side. This is where, pretty much, so it comes down back there behind everything, runs in here all the way up, then pops out through a hole right here, goes up behind the ECU into the engine bay. But enough talking. Appreciate you guys watching. As always, please hit that thumbs up button, give the video a like if you like what you've been seeing. haven't subscribed as yet, please subscribe. Please subscribe to the channel. All right, we have so much more coming, to be honest with you. All right, appreciate you guys watching. And to end this, I'm gonna show you exactly what we're working with on this channel, so you guys can subscribe and just follow everything that's going on. Love y'all.